Morning all. Today's date is the 24th of the 3rd 2022. It is Thursday. We are on the chart with GBPJPY 30-minute time frame. Reflection on yesterday's trade here. We had that loss here which I explained in the previous video, then we entered this position which I explained, and down it went, and I closed it out on 96 pips. The reason I closed it out here was because when we do get that break of the 50 here, there's always that tendency to get that reversal back up to retest, then come down. That was the first reason I closed out here. But the second reason was because I looked down on the 15-minute time frame, and what I could see was this zone here. So this was a target I was looking at anyway, and when I started seeing the rejection with this bullish candle here, I thought, well, I'm happy with that. That's an amazing day. Well, we've had an amazing week, to be quite honest. But 20 pips. So there we had two positions, both hit the stop loss, 20 pips, 20 pips. Then here we had first position hit our TP1 20 pips, then move stops to break even. Then the second position 96 pips. So that was yesterday, and then into today. As we come through into Asia. We got, let's go back onto the 30-minute time frame. We got a price push down here, broke the 50. We got a print here, confirmed lower low, a confirmed higher low, trend line drawn. We got no break there to continue to the downside, but we had a higher high here, and then we got the print here of this lower high, another trend line drawn. We got the break on this bullish candle here, as you can see, but also broke this level at the same time, and we're above the 50, above the 8. Yeah, so at that point dropped down to the 15-minute time frame, got a little bit of a retracement, as you can see here, a little bit of a retracement back down to this level, got in there and pushed up and broke straight through my break even, risk free second position up to 54 pips. Because we're in this area here, I dropped down to the 15. I was happy and closed out just as this bearish candle started, so it dropped pretty much straight away with no up movement, and then I just closed the position there again. 54 pips made up, 20 pips, 54 pips. So then we got the push down strong, which I anticipated the retracement of this zone here, and when we got this rejection, this pin hammer here, this pin bar, yeah, straight away I was happy with that. We've got the break, we've got the push up, we've got the retracement back, we broke past the 8 here, and entered again, and again we went, first candle took me up just short. The first bearish candle there was closed as a pin hammer. We were just short of me break even. Second 30-minute candle took me into break even. Brilliant, risk free. I'm managing an open position right now, and I set my target at these highs here, which is, so we've got 20 pips here, stops at break even. This position I'll manage it up and see what's happening, but I'm hoping we should push up, retest these highs for an 80 pips, but we'll reflect on that as we do tomorrow, how that goes. Forecast for tomorrow, then see what's happening with the market. Any questions you have, leave them below. Please like the video if you like it, it helps. Subscribe, even more helps. Share, even more helps again. Thank you. Enjoy your trading day.